Hi all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a set of premium quality Kubera soft silk sarees. These beautiful collections are having symmetrical jacquard woven borders and the whole body part even having double shade copper zari weaving along with a rich pallu attached tassels and a jacquard running blouse. These sarees are dry wash or shampoo wash only. And this very beautiful collections you are getting in a price of 1450 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. Also, you can place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Hope you like the collection. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated collections. Also follow our Instagram page for daily updates.